This is my favorite recipe for making air fryer chicken wings because the chicken is well seasoned and it comes out crispy on the outside and juicy and tender on the inside. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the comments section, but you could also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. To make this recipe, you're going to need chicken wings. You can buy them whole at the grocery store and then with a sharp knife, cut through the joint to cut them into flats and into drums. We're going to pat them dry with a paper towel. This is going to absorb any moisture that they have and it's going to help to get them crispy in the air fryer. Then we're going to place them in a large bowl and we're going to add oil. This is going to help the spices stick to the chicken wings. And then we're going to season them with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. And finally, add salt and pepper to taste. Using your hands, you're going to give them a really good toss to make sure that all of the wings are evenly coated with the spices. Now we're going to place them in the air fryer basket. We're not going to overcrowd the basket, and we're also going to make sure that they don't touch, and we're going to cook them at 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over, and then we're going to cook them for an additional 8 to 10 minutes or until they look golden brown and crispy. And in less than 20 minutes, you're going to have chicken wings that are golden brown on the outside, super crispy, while staying juicy and tender on the inside. Once they're cooked, you can toss them in your favorite sauce and then serve them with ranch or blue cheese dressing.